Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video on a product that I highly recommend. I've definitely been using this during the whole quarantine experience, especially with the stay-at-home orders. If you saw my other video, that state of Nevada's been asking residents to stay at home for the next 2 weeks and try to work at home too, and pick up any curbside or have stuff delivered. And so at least now I'm thankful to actually have this ahead of time, especially it's been it's kind of stress reliever. You can see it doesn't take up too much space. It's very convenient. It is not too big. You can see how big that wall is. It definitely fits in my bedroom. I could take it downstairs. It folds up. So let me show you how it folds up. You can see it folds up. And it takes one of these on the back right here to lock it down. So it's definitely very convenient, very useful. Let me. And then you can see how the screen looks. And then these gray things right here on each handle is actually a measure of heartbeat. Let's see. Does the calories, miles per hour, time, speed, distance. Usually I leave at the calorie section. There is one thing, gotta make sure sometimes when you fold it, you might have heard it while we were recording, that it could beep. So sometimes you just gotta make sure. I can't have the wires exposed or out, but it usually doesn't do anything. As long as it's not disconnected, you're good. But overall, like I said, it's been very helpful. It's very economically priced. It's not a Peloton, of course, but this is, if you're on a budget, again, this was rated pretty high. And so it also has these resistance bands where you can work out both arms that way. Again, you can see it doesn't take that much space. You can see it's in my bedroom. I've taken it downstairs while working out and watching a movie or a sports game. So very, very great, especially if you're in the market with Christmas coming up, and if you're looking for a gift for someone that's looking for a bike but does not want to spend as much as the Peloton bikes. You can't go wrong with this one. I'll go ahead and also put the link down below on where I picked up the item. Again, it was free shipping that way with Amazon. It was probably the best investment I've made so far on exercise equipment. So especially my wife's been using it. I've been using it. I try to get on the bike probably 30 minutes every other day. So definitely, if you like biking, especially, that was another reason why I kind of got it. Knowing long term, during summer, can't really go biking out here because it's pretty hot during summer. But like right now would be great to go biking because it's kind of cold, but not. It's a nice brisk, so it's not super cold. To me, if you have a hoodie or a sweater, a Bill Belichick type sweater going on, but definitely. I try. I'm probably gonna look at outdoor bike eventually, but if you want to be able to do this all the time, without worrying wind and all that, You're definitely not going to go wrong with this. Again, definitely appreciate your comments. Go ahead if you are looking for a bike or anything like a gift like this. Go ahead and take a look at the link below in the description. Definitely appreciate all you new subscribers and subscribers to this channel. Again, go ahead and hit that like button so that way more people could take a look at this video. And thanks again.